DFA in which second last character should be 0. So alphabet is 0 1 and we start with the initial state Q naught and we take transition for 0 and we take transition for 1. So here instead of state we write that whatever transition we get from Q naught to next state. So we write here 0. So it will be easy to understand that we are getting second last character 0. That's why we are writing like this. So here we get 0 and here we get 1. As we all know, from each state we can get one transition for 0 and one transition for 1 because alphabet is 0 1 and it is DFA. So now move to the next. From this state we also get two transition, one transition for 0 and one transition for 1. And then what we will get? We will get here 0 0 and what we will get here? We will get 0 1. The same way we do transition for 0 and 1. Then what we will get here? We will get here 1 0 and we will get here 1 1. Now what we want? We want second last character should be 0. So second last should be 0. This is the first last, this is the second last. So we can make it as a final state, and this is also, this is first last, this is second last. Second last is 0. So we can make it as a final state. Now if we take another transition from this state, so 1 will be for 0 and 1 will be for 1. So if we take 0 transition from this state, then what we will get? 0 0. So this will come to the this state only. And if we take transition for 1, then what we will get? This is 0 and another will be 1. So we will move to the this state. And in the same way, if we do transition for 0 and 1 from this state, then what we will get? If we do transition for 0, then what we will get? This is 1 and next will be 0. Then we will reach to the this state for 0 transition. And if we move and if we go for another transition for 1, then what we will get? This is 1 and next will be 1. So we will reach to this state. In the same way, if we see about this state, then if we do transition for 0, then this is 0 and next will be 0, then what we will reach? We will reach here. And for 1, then what we will get? 0 1. So we reach this state. And if we do transition from this for 0, then what we will get? 1 0, then we will reach here. And if we do transition for 1, next will be 1, then we will reach on the same state. So this is the DFA in which second last character should be 0. But one more important thing, then how many states we will get in this DFA? We can identify by this 2 to the power, because we need second last, so we will write 2 plus 1 minus 1. So in that way we will get 2 to the power 3 minus 1, which is 8 minus 1, that is 7. 2 to the power 2. Why? Because we need second last character. That's why 2 to the power 2 plus 1 minus 1. In that way we can identify that how many state should be there in that DFA. So we will get 7 state in that DFA. We can count it. We have 7 state or not? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. We are getting 7 state. And in that way, every time whenever we will move, we will get second last character 0 by these two states. That's why we made these two states as the final state. So this is the final DFA. In the same way, we can make the DFA in which second last character should be 1. So how we can make it? We can make Q0 as initial state, and because it is second last character, so we will get the 7 state also in the same way as we did earlier. For 0 we will get this state, and for 1 we will get this state. For another 0 we will get this state. For another one we will get 0 1. For 0 what we will get? We will get 1 0. For 1 what we will get? 1 1. But here what we want, second last character should be 1, not 0. So second last character 1 is here, and we know how many state can be there? 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 states are over. So and we need second last character should be 1, so we make this as a final state, and we will do transition for 0 1 for these states also. Suppose if we take another transition for this state 1 for 0, then what we will get? We will reach to this state only 0 0, and we will do transition for 1, then what we will get? 0 1. Then we will move to this state. From here if we do transition for 0, then what we will get? 1 0. We will move to this state. And if we do transition for 1, then what we will get? We will get 1 1. Then we will move to this state. And from this state if we do transition for 0, then what we will get? We will get 0 0. So we will move to this state, and if we do transition for 1, then what we will get? 0 1. So we will move to this state, and from here if we do transition for 0, then what we will get? 1 0. Then we will move to this state, and if we do transition for 1, then what we will get? 1 1. So we will move to same state. So in that way we do transition for all 0 1 for every state, and these will be final state, because what we need second last character should be 1. So here we can see for any transition we will reach to this state only, so second last character should be 1.